Hey guys, Galaxy Kitty back with another video. Today, there's a new Animal Company update, and I haven't seen it yet. So, I think there's gonna be a new monster, and I'm gonna attempt to kill the monster. So, let's do it. Wait. Yo, look how bro is. Ah! Bro, is he attracted to noise? Oh crap, I ran out of ammo. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Am I? I don't know if I am. I don't know if he's attracted to light or not. Is he? I need to hurry up and change my... Oh! Oh, I gotta go. I gotta run. I gotta run. Run, run, run. Oh! What? It just turned to morning again. Did I kill him? Oh! There's a crate! I did kill him! Let's go! I did it! I killed him! Ah! Armstrong, you scared me. I think... How much money do I even get? It's gonna be like $10 or something. Dang, I'm rich. Wow. So, I killed the monster, and I did it. Like I said, I killed the monster. I don't know if I really killed them, because it turned morning. But, I guess I did. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.